Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Today my topic is alphabets. There are total 26 alphabets in English. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A for ant, A for apple. You also can pronounce aunt, ant or aunt. B for banana, B for butterfly. C for chair, C for car, car. D for drum, D for duck, drum, duck. E for eye, E for egg, eye, egg. F for fish, F for flag, fish, flag. G for gloves, G for grapes, gloves, grapes. There's also one more, G, giraffe. H for hammer, H for hen, hammer, hen. I for ice cream, I for iron, ice cream, iron. J for jacket, J for joker, jacket, joker. K for key, K for kettle, key, kettle. L for leaf, L for lamp. M for melon, M for mango, melon harbuza, melon, mango. N for necklace, N for nest, necklace, nest. O for owl, O for onion, owl, onion. P for pear, nashpati, P for peacock. Q for coil, Q for Qaid-e-Azam, coil, Qaid-e-Azam. R for rose, R for ring, rose, gulab, R for ring. S for shark, S for shoes, shark, shoes. You also can say S for soap, S for sun. T for table, T for tractor. U for unicycle, U for umbrella. यूनिसाइकिल एक पहिए वाली साइकिल, बाईसाइकिल टू पहियों वाली और ट्राईसाइकिल 3 व्हील्स वाली. V for vegetable, V for violin, vegetables सब्जियाँ. W for watch, W for well, watch, wristwatch and clock, wall clock. X for X-ray, X for xylophone, X-ray, xylophone. Y for yo-yo, Y for yarn, yarn mean धागा. Z for zip, Z for zebra.